Xcode 2023 SwiftUI source code for video player in a CardView with text. Image in a CardView with text brought to you by QD World. The ultimate link to get ready to use editable source codes for iOS app developers. Don't waste time on lengthy video tutorials and swim around on internet for tutorials. Just copy and paste these codes in your own projects. It's for developers who are looking to make life simpler. Open the downloaded zip folder. Open the Xcode project in your Xcode content. Add this line, image underscore text underscore CardView, and padding 10. Similarly, add video underscore text underscore CardView, and padding 10. And add external underscore video underscore CardView, and padding 10. Add your own image to the assets and your own video to the project. That's it. And download Xcode project source code. The link is in the description below. What you will get: ready-to-use editable code with complete Xcode SwiftUI project file with 3 different SwiftUI files, which can be added in your content view 1. Image with text in CardView 2. Local video player with text in CardView 3. External video player with text in CardView. Please share and subscribe for more such source codes.